I'm the best to ever do it, my nigga, that's Kama Sutra. Russell Wilson to these rappers, say body your little future. Know your place, put that gun down, you ain't no shooter. Talking all that tough boy talking, you gotta prove it. Stay still, nobody move, I'm about to...
What's going on, YouTube? CEO in the making, back with another video. As you guys can see, I have the Wahl Retro T-Cut cordless trimmers right here. I just got them in, haven't even tried them out yet, but I'm about to go ahead and zero gap these. So that's what I'm gonna show you in this video. As you guys already know, I use the Andis Slimline Pro trimmers. Definitely a fan of those. I use the Andis T outliners. I'm definitely a fan of those. So I just wanted to try these out just to kind of see how they match up. But enough of all that. Let's go ahead and jump right into it, man. So very similar to, you know, any other pair of trimmers. You got your two screws keeping the blade in place. So these screws are kind of small, if you can see. So you want to make sure you got the right size screwdriver. This is a real small screwdriver. If your screwdriver is too big, you know, you're going to risk stripping the screws, which you don't want to do. So just make sure you got the right size screwdriver. So what we're going to do, we're just going to take these two screws, lefty loosey, righty tighty. So we're going to take these out. Got him out of there. Doesn't take too much, a couple turns, and they should pop right on out. And we're just going to remove that blade like so. And then we got this here. So as you can see, we got two more screws holding that moving blade in place. So what we're going to have to do, loosen those guys up. And again, these screws are small too. So definitely got to have the right screwdriver. There we go. All right, so I didn't take the screws all the way out. I just loosened them enough to the point where I can move and adjust this cutting blade. So now here's what we got to do. We got to set the blade, you know what I'm saying, to a point where it's nice and close, but not too close. So that's what I'm going to do. And then once I get it set, I'll show you guys what I got. All right, so I got it set to where I want it. Y'all can see that's really close. I'm gonna try this out. I might have to readjust it. I think that might be a little too close. But anyway, y'all saw what I had to do in order to adjust the blade. So after that, you got the little black groove right there. All you're gonna do is match it up with the black part here. So that little square, rectangle, whatever, you're gonna make sure that lines up when you put it on there. And then you just put the screws back into it. All right, so there y'all have it. I got it back together. So y'all can see it's working. So I'm excited to put these in rotation. Honestly, I love the Andis Slimline Pro. I'm starting to become more of a fan of the cordless wave. I just went out of town recently and it was super easy to just throw the Slimline Pros in my bag. You know, while I was on vacation, I was able to get myself a lineup and everything, no problems. Didn't have to worry about, you know, cords. It's super small, you know, it fit in my bag super easy. So that was dope. But anyway, I'm gonna start using these, man. Stay tuned for a review that will be coming soon in the near future. Otherwise, man, if the video was helpful, hit that thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Catch y'all in the next video.